Alright, hello guys, today's Thursday, I'm T1, and this is a new video, actually unboxed video. And I thought, I just ordered some mechanical keyboard. Yeah, it's pretty cheap, but the review said it was pretty good, so yeah, I got the blue switch, so I want to just unbox this quickly. This is it's gonna be a short video unboxing, but anyways, yeah. Oh, it's been like 25 minutes, like my streams. Yeah, I think about video contents, but so all I have. Okay, here. It's not like a famous brand or something. It's the Korean brand. But anyways, I think the name is MKF30S. And it's from, if you see carefully, Hanson Computer. But yeah, it's like this G-Tune MKF30S. Let's just set the camera straight. Yeah, it's pretty cool. If you see, you can see it. Anyways, let's just open this quickly. Yeah, so I got the blue switch right there. There's blue switch, red, brown. Yeah. There's two skins, black and white. But I chose the white because it looks very beautiful when I saw it. So yeah. Okay, so I'll just do a comparison with my other keyboard. I think this keyboard's more expensive than this one, but this is a membrane keyboard. I want like lots of sound, but it's yeah, there's still a little bit of sound. Yeah, but I tried to here the switch, extra switches. I think. Yeah, I wanted to use a mechanical keyboard, so. But anyway, some instruction manual. And they gave us a brush to clean, the... Alright, so this is what it looks like right now. Anyways, just take this. Yes, I'll show you more when I connect it to my computer, how it feels like. Just check this off. Nice. Oh, sorry. Well, there's a casing. That's really nice. Now, before I click it, there's just a sound. I think this is like aluminum. There's no like plastic, so that that makes it like looks just like a good quality keyboard. But yeah, this is the power button, I think. But yeah, anyways, I'll just start.
Thank you, come again.
That's nice. So if you see here, yeah, these are all the switches. And actually, I want to just show you how it looks like. Yeah, the sound is pretty nice. And they also gave me the thing where you can take one of the keys and they can like replace a switch or something. Let's get the delete. Just boom. So like that, if you see here. Wait, the lighting's bad, but. And then if you look inside the keycap, it's just yeah, like a four-sided hole, but like a plus sign. But just we can put this back in. Done. So yeah, I think this is nice. Yep, this is like more bigger distance or more sound. But you know, yeah, that's pretty good quality. And now there's also some lighting features, so I'm gonna show you that.
Few inches later.
Alright, so this is what happens when I light it up. You know, wow, it's like the rainbow color. And I think when I there's an instruction manual to change the lighting, but let's just see. Backlight mode, just press home. I think FN home, and that's just normal. Whoa, wait. So any button I click, it just lights up. Okay. Okay, that's nice. And I think there was more lighting, but it was FN and then home again. The same. FN home. Home. Well, FN insert. Okay, I think this is resetting. Or I think it's just wave motions. I think this is just some kind of normal light patterns. Whoa. What? I understand, but next one. What else? This is just like whole thing up. What about delete? It's just it's like brightness and then coming back. F and N. I think this is for the gaming. It's like only WASD light up and page. It's like little waves right here. So there are many. Whoa, wait, what? Alright, so right now we're on Nitro type race, so I can just show you some keyboards right here. And also, if I see the back, there's some kind of grip, so it doesn't move on the table. Yeah, that's good. Let's just start. What is? Oh, come on. Okay. Of liquids. Okay, I'm second. Let's see how many words per minute. 50 per words per minute, and that took me like 4 seconds. 92% accuracy. Alright, so I think that's the end of my video. So you can just see the keyboard right here. Yeah, it's like almost size about like 3 hands together, joined together. But yeah, I'm thinking of making a video next week, but this week I don't have much time. But yeah, that'll be the end of my video. I would glad if you give me some content. If you put in the comments below. But yeah, subscribe, like, share, and peace out.